Hello students, welcome back to the YouTube channel of St. Wilfred College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Panvel. In today's lecture, we will see one small question on amalgamation of firm. All of you know how to solve the problems of amalgamation. First, you have to calculate the purchase consideration. How to calculate the purchase consideration? First is asset less liabilities. Assets taken the revised value of assets. Liabilities, which liability should taken? Should take a external liabilities and then purchase consideration assets minus liabilities. Then you will get a purchase consideration. Then second is prepare the ledger account in the old firm's book, and next prepare the balance sheet. In today's lecture, we will see one small question on amalgamation. See, Julie and Lily are the partners who sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 2:3 in the business. Lily and Julie, these are the two partners. They are sharing the profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2 ratio. And in similar type of business, Sona and Mona are the partners who sharing their profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. It was agreed on 1st April 2018, the firm are to be amalgamated into Messrs. JLSM Company. Means after amalgamation, the new company they form and the name of new company is JLSM. As on 31st March 2018, the balance sheet of their firm whereas under. The balance sheet is given, capital balances is given, creditors and bills payable is given. Next is various assets are given. Next is firm's revised. Next is firm takeover. The which assets were firm taken over, that assets are given, that is stock takeover. Next is vehicle, furniture, land and goodwill were taken over by new firm. But the investment were not taken over. So investment taken over by Julie for rupees 36,000, and other assets and liabilities whose revised value is not given that time should write down the book value of that assets and liabilities. You are required to calculate the purchase consideration and necessary journal entries in the books of Mrs. JL, means Mrs. Julie. In the books of Mrs. Julie, you have to calculate all the journal entry, all the ledger accounts. Okay. So first we will start the calculation of purchase consideration. For first A, so write down A, assets take over at agreed value. Assets take over at agreed value. So see, which assets were take over by new company. See, first asset is land. Land is taken over by new company. Yes, land is taken over by new company. So write down land. How much the value of land? Write down the revised value of land, 3,75,000. And SM, in the books of SM, 4,95,000. And total is, how much the total? Total is 8,70,000. Now next asset. Which next asset? See the next asset. Which is the next asset? Furniture. So furniture is taken over by new firm. Yes, furniture is taken over by new firm. So write down furniture. So how much the value of furniture? 1,05,000. In the books of SM, 84,000. And total, how much the total? Total is 1,89,000. Now next see which asset is taken over. Next asset is vehicle. See here, vehicle is taken over by new firm. Yes, vehicle is taken over by new firm. So write down vehicles. How much the value of vehicles? 60,000 and 60,000. So total is 1,20,000. Now next asset. See the which is the next asset? Next asset is stock. Yes, stock is also taken over by new firm. So stock. How much the value of stock? 1,35,000, 1,95,000. 1,95,000. And total is, how much is total? 3,30,000. 3,30,000. Now next asset is which? Next asset is Investment were not taken over by new firm. Investment were taken over by Julie. So don't write the investment. Next is debtor is also taken over by new firm, but revised value of debtor is not given. So write down the book value of debtors. Debtors. How much the book value of debtors? 1,57,500. And next is 1,56,750. And total is 3,14,250 is a total. Now next asset is bank. Next asset is bank. So write down bank. How much the value of bank? 16,800. In the books of SM, bank value is not given, so put a dash. And next total is 16,800. Now do the total of asset. Total assets. Total assets. Total assets. How much amount of 9? No, goodwill is remaining. So goodwill is also taken over by new firm. So write down the goodwill. How much the value of goodwill? Goodwill is 1,20,000. And in the books of SM, 90,000. Total is 2,10,000. 2,10,000. Now total assets. Total assets. How much is total assets? 9,69,300 is the total of JL, means Julie and Lily. Total of Sona Mona, means SM, is 10,80,750. And total means total column total is 20,000. Sorry, 20,50,000 and 50. Now write down the liabilities. B is liabilities. Which liability should write? External liabilities only. So external liabilities. External liabilities. Which external liabilities are given? Creditors. But the creditors balance of JL is how much? 1,50,000. Creditors balance of SM is 2,50,500. Next is bills payable. So write down bills payable. Bills payable of Julie means and Lily is not given. Bills payable of SM is 1,09,500. Now total liabilities. Total liabilities 1,50,000 and total of SM is 3,60,000 and total column and total is total of creditors. Total of creditor is 4,500. Total of bills payable 1,09,500 and total of this is 4,10,000. Total. First, do the total of creditors. Creditors total is 1,50,000. Next is SM column. Total of SM column is 2,50,500 plus 1,09,500. Total is 3,60,000. Now total columns total is how much? Total column total is 3,60,000 plus 1,50,000. That is 5,10,000. So total is 5,10,000. Now C is purchase consideration. Purchase consideration. How to calculate? A minus B. Purchase consideration A minus B. JL means Julie is 8,19,300. SM 7,20,750 and total is 15,40,000 and 40,050. Okay, this is a purchase consideration. How to calculate the purchase consideration? Write down the assets, less liabilities, then purchase consideration. Now, realization account. Realization. First is, what is the first journal entry? To asset transfer. So, transfer all the assets to assets. Now, transfer all the assets. Assets. See, which assets are given as it is book value. So, land 1,95,000 only to the journal entries or ledger account in the books of Julie. So write down the assets of Julie only. Land, furniture, vehicle, stock, investment, debtors, and bank also. So write down land. Land. How much the value of land? 1,95,000. 1,95,000. 1,95,000. Now next is furniture. Furniture. How much the amount of furniture? 1,14,000. Next is vehicle. Vehicle. How much the amount of vehicle? 75,000. So write down 75,000. Next is stock. So write down the amount of stock. How much the amount of stock? 1,49,700. Next is investments. Investments. How much the amount of investments? 42,000. Next is debtors. Next is debtors. How much the amount of debtors? 1,57,500. Next is bank. Next is bank. How much the amount of bank? 16,800. Next is buy liabilities. Buy liabilities. Buy liabilities. Now write down the liabilities. Which liability is given? Creditors. Only creditor is given, so write down creditors. How much the amount of creditors? 1,50,000. Okay. First entry is asset transfer. Second entry is liabilities transfer. Asset transfer. What is the journal entry of asset transfer? Realization account debit to assets. So realization account debit side, we write all the assets. Next, second entry is liabilities transfer. What is the journal entry of liability transfer? Liabilities account debit to realization, means realization account credit side, we write down the liability. Only one liability is given in the books of Lily. So here we write only the liability of Julie is creditor. One liability of Julie is creditors. Next is brought down the capital balance of Julie. By balance brought down in capital account. By balance brought down. By balance brought down. How much the capital balance of Julie? 2,40,000. And next is Lily, 3,60,000. Okay. Now third entry. Third entry is purchase consideration due. What is the third entry? Purchase consideration. New firm's account debit to realization. So realization account credit side by new firm. By new firm in bracket PC. In bracket PC. See how much the amount of Julie of PC? 8,19,300. Now second effect, corresponding effect in a new firm's account. Corresponding effect in new firm's account to realization in bracket PC. How much the amount of PC? How much the amount of PC? 8,19,300. Okay. Now next fourth entry is assets taken over by Julie. So asset taken over by Julie, the journal entry is Julie's capital account debit to realization, means realization account credit side by Julie, by Julie's capital. By Julie's capital. How much Julie purchased the investment for rupees 36,000. So write down 36,000. In bracket write down investment. Investment. Okay. Now corresponding effect in a Julie's capital account. In Julie's capital account, write down the corresponding effect to realization in bracket investment. In bracket investment. In Julie's column, write down 36,000. Clear? Now all the entries are finished. Now close the realization account. Now close the realization account. Differences come in a debit side. So to difference will transfer to the partner's capital. So to capital. So to partners capital. So to partners capital. In that write down Julie and next is Lily. Julie and next is Lily. How much the difference? Difference is 2,55,300. Now this difference distribute between the Lily and Julie's profit sharing ratio. How much did Lily and Julie's profit sharing ratio? 2:3. So distribute the amount in 2:3 ratio. So Julie will get the amount of 1,02,120. Lily will get the amount 1,53,180. Now do the total. Total is 10,05,300. Total is how much? 10,05,300. So do the corresponding effect in a partner's capital account by realization in bracket profit the realization is 1,02,120 and Lily is 1,53,180. Now do the total of partners capital account. The difference of partners capital account is transferred to new firm account. New firm in bracket write down balancing figure. And how much the balancing figure of Lily is 3,06,120. The balancing figure of Lily is 5,13,180. Now this balancing figure transferred to the new firm's account by Julie's capital. By Julie's capital, how much the amount? 3,06,120. Next is by Lily's capital. How much the amount of Lily's capital? Balance figure of Lily's is 5,13,180. Now write down the total of capital balance. Total of capital balance is 3,42,120 of Julie, 5,13,180 of Lily. Okay, 3,42,120 of Julie, 5,13,180 of Lily. Now close the new firm's account. Close the new firm's account and new firm accounts will tally and tallied amount is 8,19,300. Tally the Julie's account will new firm's account will tally. It means your solution is correct. Clear? How to solve? First, you have to calculate the purchase consideration. In purchase consideration, first write down the asset. But which amount should write? Write down the revised amount, which is given in the adjustment. So write down the amount of assets. Next, less liabilities. Less liabilities means only external liability. Liabilities amount also given in the adjustment. In adjustment, already given assets and liabilities. Which assets and liabilities taken over at the book value? The revised value of assets and liabilities. If revised value of asset and liability is not given, then take the amount of book value as it is. And next is purchase consideration. Now ledger accounts in the books of new firm. In the books of old firm, that is Julie. Journal entries in the books of Julie. So we prepare the realization account. Next, we prepare capital account and next prepare new firm's account. In a realization account, first entry is asset transfer, second is liability transfer, third is purchase consideration due, fourth is if any asset is remaining, then that asset were taken over by partners, then do the entry of asset transfer to the partners, then close the realization account, then close the partner's capital account, and then close the new firm account, and new firm account will tally. It means your solution is correct. I hope all of you will understood this solution very well, because in every solution you have to first calculate the purchase consideration, then do the ledger account, and then balance sheet. This is a fixed format for solving the realization amalgamations practical problem. Okay, thank you.